Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a Python file which takes input from the user and use area and perimeter of hexagon as an output. Here I'm creating a new file and naming it as hexagon.py. In first line type print welcome to hexagon.py. Next line type define regular hexagon empty brackets, and we have only one output, that is side, as it is regular hexagon, all sides are equal. So variable side equals float input, and we are asking side, and then area of a hexagon equals 3 multiplied with 3 by 2 into side, that is into side, and 3 multiplied with root 3, that is 3 power 1 by 2 divided by 2. And now perimeter equals, as there are 6 sides for hexagon, so 6 multiplied with length of the side. Print area equals our variable area, which is measured in square units, and then perimeter. So print perimeter equals the variable perimeter which is measured in units. And here I am writing a while loop to run this program again and again. And that's it guys, our program is completed. Now let's run it. So it says welcome to hexagon.py, which is file name, and as the side I'm entering side as 9. So it shows area is 23.38 units, square units, and perimeter as 24.0 units. That's it for today, and I'll be back tomorrow.